हेलो एवरीवन, सो वेलकम टू आवर टुडेज फ्रेश एपिसोड ईट्स वेल। क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि आजकल के बच्चों की जिंदगी बहुत अनहेल्दी हो गई है? मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है। इसीलिए आइए जानते हैं कि आजकल के स्टूडेंट्स क्या खाना पीना पसंद करते हैं। ज्ञान तो सभी देते हैं, हम आपको सोल्यूशन भी देंगे विदाउट बर्निंग अ होल इन योर पॉकेट। यही नहीं, हम आपको देंगे एक्सपर्ट सोल्यूशंस।
Hello everyone and welcome to a special segment on college lifestyles. Today we are diving deep into a topic that many of us can relate to: unhealthy eating habits. We have Swara with us, who's generally agreed to share some insights on the not so healthy eating habits of college life. So Swara, how are you doing today?
Hey, I'm good. Thanks for having me. Yeah, it's a real pleasure to be here, invited here for talking about nutrition and how it has affected my life. And I'm really glad to share this to everyone, whoever it helps.
We appreciate your candor. So let's jump right in. College life is notorious for crazy schedules and limited time. How has that hectic pace affected your eating habits over the years?
Actually, it's really been hectic and it's an overall roller coaster because of my MBA classes as well as my BCom classes. It's been such a struggle to manage my healthy food habits and incorporate all the fruits and vegetables into my diet.
Oh, it's been surely a roller coaster for you. Totally understandable. So now let's talk about those late night cravings. What's your go-to guilty pleasure when it comes to midnight cravings?
Honestly, I'm a sweet tooth girl. I love eating cookies and cream ice cream. It's always been a thing for me.
Well, late night snacks can be hard to resist. So now when it comes to meals, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you have opted for fast food over a home cooked meal due to some time constraints?
Yes, fast food generally offers me a lot of convenience and also a time saving thing. That's why I always opt for whatever junk food I get, whatever comes to my hand, which is pretty casual.
We've all been there. So now let's talk about stress eating. How do you typically handle stress and does it impact your food choices?
It does impact my food choices a lot because time constraint, as I really said, it's really a big problem for me and it's really been hectic. That's why I always opt for whatever is pretty catchable, as I said earlier. That's why it's a thing for me to go for junk food generally.
It's a common challenge for sure. Have you noticed any significant changes in your energy levels or overall well-being due to your eating habits?
Oh yeah, coming to college, staircasing the 6 floors, it's really been hectic. It tires me a lot. It gives me a lot of problems in, just a whole efficient thing.
It's important to listen to our bodies. If you could go back and give your freshman self advice about maintaining healthier eating habits, what would it be?
I would definitely tell myself, freshman self, to put myself and incorporate myself with a lot of fruits and vegetables into the diet because it will really help me for my efficiency as well as my time.
It's important to listen to our bodies. If you could go back and give your freshman self advice about maintaining healthier eating habits, what would it be?
I would definitely tell myself to incorporate a lot of vegetables and fruits on my diet because it's really important and really time efficient as well.
Great advice. Finally, what do you think about colleges and what they can do to promote healthier eating habits among students?
I would say to include a lot of fruits and vegetables, and it's really important to, if you do not have the time for it, I would also say to include tablets, which is like vitamins and minerals, a few here and there would really help you for your diet.
Correct. Thank you, Swara, for your thoughtful insights on the challenges of maintaining a healthy diet in college. We appreciate your openness and we hope this discussion sparks positive changes on college campuses everywhere.
The food you are taking is just like a fuel to the engine. If you don't put the fuel in, the engine will not work. Similarly, it is the food. If you don't put in anything inside, neither your physical nor your mental faculties will function. And most important, when you having food, in the end it is going to become glucose. Glucose is a main factor for the functioning of your brain. So if your glucose levels are low, you are skipping your breakfast, you had a dinner which has been 9 or 10 o'clock and you are having again your meal at 12. So it is a huge gap between that. So your glucose levels are definitely going to dip down. Actually, college students, you can say it starts from 16 years of age. Here everyone want to look beautiful, not only for others, for themselves also. They want to feel good about themselves. For that, they try to do things or follow some diets which will keep them in place, As we know, they are eating lot of junk food during this period. So they sometimes feel guilty about that also. So they want to be in place, you know. The weight utna hi hona chahiye. Like, so eating disorders like bulimia, then anorexia, nervosa is there. So these, when you are too much into this type of diet, you know, I don't want to this, I don't want to eat that. So they tend to fall into a pattern. And then even
आज आपने ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाया? पनीर। आपने नाश्ते में क्या खाया?
अभी 1 बज रहा है, अभी वड़ा पाव खा रहा हूँ।
आज आपने ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या खाया?
मैंने कुछ नहीं खाया।
आज आपने नाश्ते में क्या खाया?
डोसा।
if the I will categorize two things here. Some college students may be local, it means they have their home at place. Some might be staying out of their homes and staying in hostel and other things. So the diet will vary according to that. The most important practical tip I would like to give them: first, you be organized. Eat your meals on time. That is most important. So if you have all your meals, morning, breakfast, lunch, evening snacks, or whatever you want to have, then your dinner. This, if you follow that pattern anywhere, whether you are a hostelite or you are a local person, definitely it will help you.
for you guys, and we definitely encouraged you to make some healthier choices. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.